Hyperliquid may decline 3% tomorrow, Crypto Predictions reports. To begin, let's check the current market development. Hyperliquid is currently up 2.6% in the last 24 hours and sits around $63.32. Now we move to the analysts' outlooks. According to Crypto Predictions, we could be heading towards $61.24 tomorrow, a move that reflects a 3% decline. Hyperliquid is projected to fall to $61.54 per coin codex, marking a decline of 2.5%. CoinLore notes it might drift lower towards $62.15, a projected decrease close to 1.6%. Another forecast from Digital Coin Price suggests Hyperliquid could drop to $63.10, an estimated decrease of about 0.1%. And lastly, CoinDataFlow targets $65.85 by tomorrow, which would mean a gain of 4.3%. This is the highest yielding forecast in this lineup. We've reviewed 5 outlooks for tomorrow. Time to continue. The predictions are in. Here's how each might perform. After pulling together all available outlooks, the market may move between a decline of 3% and a gain of 4.3%, depending on the analyst. After comparing all 5, CoinDataFlow leads with 4.3% upward change in value by May 26. To sum it up, you could receive between $1 and $43 for every $1,000 you invest. When we look at the odds, Digital Coin Price takes the top with a 98.1% chance of success. With all 5 forecasts in mind, I've assembled a consensus scenario. The consensus target keeps Hyperliquid at approximately $62.78. So, here's the breakdown. Consensus estimates reveal a 0.6% decline in price. Simply expressed, your capital may also move higher by about 0.6% in step with that change. With 1,000, the numbers suggest a possible $6 more. And the likelihood of the consensus forecast on Hyperliquid being realized is placed at 97.6%. To add context, let's check how analysts view the 3-day direction. For the coming days, Crypto Predictions sees the price holding steady without any strong trend developing. CoinCodex signals a short-term move lower. CoinLore suggests Hyperliquid could extend its climb. According to Digital Coin Price, the next few days should bring muted activity and flat performance. The near-term direction, noted by CoinDataFlow, is up. Consensus analysis highlights Hyperliquid on a negative course for the coming 3 days. In short, most analysts express an upward view, pointing to Hyperliquid strengthening across this horizon. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Now it's time for some fact-checking. By the end of trading, the price was $62.83. The majority of analysts had their forecasts pointing the right way. The most accurate forecast this round came from Gov Capital Collector. Now let's open up the details. Yesterday showed that only one forecast matched the candle. As for ROI, a few analysts were in the green, while CoinLore led with 12.8%. Here's the daily summary, how every forecast actually worked out. Also worth noting, CoinDataFlow had a forecast probability of 95.5%, $7.84 accuracy, and minus 12.8% ROI. Look closely and see if your pick matched the real outcome. And now let's take a look at how the expected returns for tomorrow compare across different cryptocurrencies based on consensus forecasts. The highest potential return goes to Uniswap with 1.6%, while Hyperliquid stays below the leader. At this point, Hyperliquid is compared with only 4 random cryptocurrencies. The complete comparison is already accessible on my website. Subscribe so you can follow how these forecasts play out. Have a good one.